Looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2026 Suburban. Suburban exceeds at towing heavy trailers, hauling loads of people and gear, and enduring hard use and rugged terrain. This vehicle has less than 400 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: rain sensing wipers, rear spoiler, power lift gate, remote keyless entry, speed control, four-wheel disc brakes, electronic stability control, traction control, brake assist, rear window defroster. This vehicle offers reliability and good looks at a great price. So come in and take a test drive today.